what's up everybody? It's Meredith Shirk with Svelte Training, and I have a great recipe for you today. We have vegetarian lentil tacos. So everybody always asks me, what can I have on Taco Tuesday that's not going to break the bank in terms of the way that I feel in reaching my goals, but also still taste good. So lentil tacos is where it's at today. So we have one of these very pretty ones already done to take a look at. So we've got a few key ingredients. Number one being the lentils. So when we're working with lentils, the greatest thing about lentils is it can be a great meat substitute. It has 11 grams of protein per serving. So if you think about that, a piece of pork or chicken might have double, but we're talking about a vegetarian source of protein, which is not only help you feel fuller for longer, but help you avoid meat if you don't want it, which is nice, especially in tacos. So inside of the lentils, what we mixed was chipotle powder, a little bit of turmeric, and if you have paprika, you can mix that in too. So that combination really helps lower your bad cholesterol levels, your LDL, and raise the HDL. So I don't want to confuse you with that, but bad cholesterol down, good cholesterol up. That's all you got to worry about with those spices. Next, we have some avocado, which of course has amazing omega-3 fatty acids, and it's mixed with cilantro, which actually does a lot of the similar things that the chili powder mix does, help lower the bad cholesterol levels and regulate digestion. So really good powerhouse here, but a lot of people said, I don't like cilantro, totally fine. So what I have is just regular avocados. This is like a really nifty one. It's a little bit harder, so a little bit less ripe, but when you cut it, you can get these great squares, and you can use this in your taco mix if you don't like cilantro. So the best part about all of these recipes, especially in this taco recipe, is that you don't have to put anything you don't want. So if you don't like cucumber, or you don't like tomato, or you don't like onion, you don't have to use it. But you can also add whatever toppings that you want. So I like cucumber because of the really high water content. So not only helps you regulate digestion because of that, but it helps keep you hydrated by not having to drink tons of water all the time. Have sweet tomatoes, a little bit of punch of vitamin C and lycopene, and then red onions, which are very nutrient dense. So low calorie, lots of nutrients packed into these red onions, but I know a lot of people are not onion fans. You don't have to use it, but still tastes good. So you see here that we have this huge thing of lentils. You can use 1.5 cups of lentils to 3 cups of water. You're gonna boil it, you're gonna drain it, and then you've got something that you can use in salads, in tacos, whatever it is that you want a little bit extra protein and you don't wanna use meat, you can still use lentils, which is great. It's a really versatile ingredient. So easy recipe. These are gonna be lettuce wrap tacos. So you can get butter lettuce, bib lettuce, you can get romaine hearts, whatever you have to just put everything in. So I'm going to put in a little bit of this avocado on the bottom because it's a little bit chunkier and I don't want it to all fall out. It's gonna be messy, but you're having tacos, so I mean, who cares, right? Then we're going lentils, and you know, there's no exact measurement for this. It's just whatever you can fit inside of the lettuce wrap, and then whatever toppings you want. So like I said, if you want more tomato, if you want less cucumber, if you want more onion, you are free to express whatever it is that you love on these tacos. So super easy, super simple, delicious, gives you lots of protein, helps lower those bad cholesterol levels, increase the good ones, and it just tastes good. So that is your vegetarian taco recipe. Easy, fast, delicious. It's what we're all about. So for more recipes just like this, go ahead, check out all of the videos here and get a quick workout in by clicking one down below. So make sure you like the video, share it with whoever needs a little bit of protein in their vegetarian tacos, and I'll see you guys on the next video.